Yeah, in the last video we talked about standard campaign. In this video we are going to talk about remarketing. Yeah, of course, when you set up your first standard campaign, after a while you will receive traffic and maybe conversions, but you need to set up a remarketing campaign at the same time. So remarketing campaign, you have two options. You have to activate the remarketing tag with the Google Ads, and or use the Google Analytics tag. So in this case, we are going to discuss both Google Analytics and Google Ads tag. So I will first go to Tools as Setting, Audience Manager. Okay, here as you see, I have two lists in audience list. I have three options here: audience list, audience sources. So I'm filtering here with Google Analytics, but I can remove the filter. I can also filter Google Tag Ads and see all these are from Google Tag Ads that we have the Google Analytics conversion tag we have in the website already. So I can also use both of them. Okay, for the Google Analytics that we talked before, here you can set up or add these lists in Google Analytics. For example, I can go to Google Analytics for my website. In order to reach this, you have to go under proprietary, then under audience definitions, later audiences, and here these are the two lists that we saw here. So I can add a new list, a new audience list. I can add smart list. Smart list is a list that uses historical conversions from data from the past and try to convert to search or remarket this to the audience in order to optimize your campaign. Okay, so you can use smart lists, or you can use in this case, if you want to target for a specific product, we need to use this one here. And you need to add the link of the specific. Let's say you want to target this one here. I can add the link at the page and apply. You have different options here for building your audience. You can specify the behavior in your website, the traffic source, if it is Google Ads, Bing Ads, or other traffic source, demographic, if you want to target specific age, or if you want to target woman or man. So in this case, I apply. Here I will ask for the last 30 days. So I have like users over the last 7 days. I have 146 visitors for this specific products, and they specify 30 days. So I will remarket this product to all the users who visited my website in the last 30 days. This product is eligible for Google Display, Google Ads for shopping ads, Google and external partners like Salesforce and Marketing Clouds. I can rename this one here. Name this audience. Next step. And I can publish it for both here in Google Analytics or just Google Ads. So okay, next step, also it's already assigned. Also you can import the audience that you want from the gallery from here. There are many audience list here, so you can import directly from here and you will see them here automatically. These lists have been created by users like us. Then we can go now to Google Analytics, refresh, and we will see our list. The same thing with Google Ads. You see we have here, this is the one we created. We still do not receive any users. Maybe we will wait 24 hours, then we will see the sizes here and display Gmail or search partners. There is another list that we can talk about, which is audience sources. The audience sources, here we have, as I said before, have Google Analytics and they have Google Ads tag. We have 10 lists and we have 3 lists. The last one is the magic set we created. We can use the audience insights to target also to sit for specific niches like these ones here. Like people are looking for in these niches, like in auto part, we have 50 millions in the United States, and we can specify locations here. You can see the locations, and also you can see the devices. You can specify the country here if you want, or the city that you are targeting. To add another list or create a remarketing list in Google Ads, you need just to click here in create, and you can create website visitors directly. The same thing that we did in Google Analytics, we'll use it here. Visitors for a specific page. So you can use the link here, and you can use the duration here, 30 days, and create an audience. It is the same thing we did in Google Analytics. Also, we can create another remarketing list with the customer list that we have, or we can create a custom combination here. The custom combination, we have different lists. The one we created, like this one here, we are targeting this one, and we can also use similar audience. Similar audience is created automatically by Google Ads, and it's like what we have in Facebook, lookalike audience. This lookalike audience, it's good if your website is a niche website, so you have one product. So this will work great because you are just targeting one product. It can also work for a general store. But here if we are going to target general store, we have to use like target the link here and combine it with similar audience like here. So, and then create the audience list and create your audience at the end. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we are going to create a remarketing campaign. Thank you.